Though Christmas is an indulgent festival, you can also very sneakily have an antioxidant-rich detox salad just to balance out the festivities and the meals that go in between. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we take blackberries and create one of the most fantastic detox salads. Truly a simple salad, but it has the nutrition spot on in a balanced kind of a way. So into a bowl goes nearly 20 ml of balsamic vinegar. Beautiful to cut off that acidity overall. And into that you want to give it a fine sprinkle of some smoked chipotle sea salt. And we're just going to give it a gluck of some extra virgin olive oil. So nearly 20 ml of that, and just whisk it all up together. You want to see those beautiful black pearls coming through really well. Well emulsified. Into this now goes some arugula lettuce. So nearly 200 grams of arugula lettuce. Perfectly refreshed. We're just going to put that in and toss everything really well together. Just toss it all well so that the balsamic just lightly coats it. Layering this salad is really simple. So lift up half of the lettuce, put it into a lovely bowl, and now we're just going to dribble in some feta cheese, so nearly 100 grams of feta cheese at the base, along with some ruby red kernels of this beautiful pomegranate. Very antioxidant rich and perfect for a detox. Topping it with the remaining balsamic tossed lettuce. Pour that last bit of dressing right on top. And finally, we're just going to top it up with some remaining feta. Large shards of it really stand out, make this look so Christmassy with the white, the green, and the ruby red from the beautiful kernels of pomegranate. So just scatter all that. And lastly, we're just going to dress this up further with some blackberries. So about 100 grams of blackberries just nestle on top. And I like to put it on top because it just makes the salad look so beautiful. Giving the salad a bit of crunch comes together with some pistachio kernels just scattered on top. The salad is ready. Simple flavors coming together in a great antioxidant rich detox salad. I hope you enjoyed creating this fabulous antioxidant rich but at the same time great in fiber detox salad. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.